good evening. It's steak evening tonight with new potatoes. I've got some nicely ringed cut onions and some mushrooms, some sweet corn, and with it I'm going to make peppercorn sauce as well. So this is what I'm having tonight. See, it's not all about pot noodles and, you know, cheese on toast, is it? Van life, you can have what you want. This is my treat tonight. My daughter's sent me some money for my birthday, so this is what I've bought with it. I bought myself a nice meal for the evening. So thank you, Laura, thank you very much. I've got a nice bottle of beer to wash it down as well. Oh, it's coming along nice. Got the steak cooking in there. And the onions, whoa, yeah, for the steam. I like my steak very well done. I don't like it like a lot of people have it. And there's my new potatoes. It's a shame these cookers don't turn down a little bit more though, because it's a little bit fierce. But not to worry. We'll get in there with it. I've just started getting the peppercorn sauce ready. And I've got me best dad in the world mug from Mary Beth with my shandy in it, so I'm all set. Just wait for that to cook and then I'll demolish that lot. Lovely. And there she is. New potatoes, peppercorn sauce. I warmed up my sweet corn in that so I didn't have to use another pan. Mushrooms, onions on the top, and a lovely well done bit of sirloin steak. Beautiful. I'm going to enjoy that. And look at the weather. It's still absolutely gorgeous out. I'm going to sit down and enjoy that. So I'll catch you all soon. Now Harley, look how cool this is. Look, seaside. Look.
I want to go fast.
It's quite cold. Oh, and seaweedy and slippy.